So in this problem, we're given that 1 US dollar is equal to 0.93 Argentinian peso. And if you look at quantity A, it says the dollar value of 1 Argentine peso, according to the table. So 1 peso would just be 1 over 0.93 US dollars. So I just divided both sides by 0.93. So quantity A is going to be 1 over 0.93 US dollar. And I'm actually not going to compute this because I just need to compare it to quantity B. And here we're given that the 1 US dollar is equal to 32.08 Kenyan shillings. And they're asking for quantity B, the dollar value of 1 shilling. So 1 shilling would be 1 over 32.08 US dollars. So clearly, quantity B is going to be much smaller than quantity A. Now, this number is about a little bit more than 1, and that's going to be about 0.03. So quantity A is greater. That's the correct answer.